Have you ever gulped down or devoured a meal without really tasting it? You're not alone. We eat while we are scrolling, while working, while watching TV. Today, we are reclaiming mealtime with mindful eating. This practice is about bringing all of your senses to the table and truly experiencing your food. It's a simple way to practice mindfulness that can also change your relationship with food for the better. So grab your favorite snack and let's dig in mindfully. Hold your snack in your hand. First, just look at it. Pretend you're an alien who's never seen this before. Notice its colors, its textures, its shape. Now, feel its touch. What does it feel like? Is it rough, smooth, cool, warm? Bring it to your nose and smell it. Do you notice any scents? Now slowly bring it to your lips, but don't eat it yet. Notice the anticipation. Okay, take a small bite and close your eyes. Chew softly. What flavors are you experiencing? Sweet? Sour? Salty? Notice the texture in your mouth. Pay attention to the whole experience of chewing and swallowing. Follow the sensation all the way down. You may open your eyes. Take another bite with the same mindful attention. Try to be fully present with each sensation. How is this different from how you usually eat? Notice any judgments or thoughts that might come up and let them go. Come back to the sensory experience of eating. Feel free to pause the video here until your last bite. As you finish your snack, take a moment. How do you feel? More satisfied? More aware? Mindful eating isn't about restriction. It's about appreciation. You can practice this with any meal. It helps you enjoy your food more, listen to your body's cues for fullness, and brings a little bit of mindfulness into a daily routine. Thank you for sharing this mindful snack with me. Until next time, savor every moment.